This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Pam Churin. Welcome to 6540 Moorings Point Circle. Sought-after community in superior location of Lakewood Ranch. This spacious and desirable first-floor condominium, with two-car garage, offers 2 living areas, a nicely designed kitchen with wood cabinets, granite tubs, and newer appliances. Other nice touches include crown molding, built-ins, master bedroom with 2 closets, and a lanai, plus 2 patios to enjoy. Steps away from the clubhouse with resort-style pool and spa, fitness, outdoor kitchen, private pier with gazebo, meeting rooms, and a full social schedule. Peaceful and tranquil living with lush tropical landscape. The Moorings at Edgewater is a gated, maintenance-included community, with extensive resort-style amenities, set on 168-acre Lake Uihlein with water access, a private island, and fishing pier. Enjoy a short stroll to Lakewood Main Street for dining, shopping and movie theater, plus a weekly farmers market and many outdoor events. Call today for a private showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Pam Churin at 941-993-3388.